Hi, welcome to the Elite Automation YouTube channel. I'm Jenna, this is Malachi.
And today we'll be showing you guys how to get your MiR AMR back on the map where it should appropriately be. So the best way to kind of demonstrate what's going on here is to just take you to the map real quick and show you what I mean. So if you run into a condition where your AMR is just floating around out here in space in an unmapped area and your map is over here, it's very easy to fix, but if you don't know how to fix it, then it's a pain in the butt. So what you need to do, if it's this far out, you need to change the start position, okay? Which this is your start position button, which will basically make it so that you can manually put the robot wherever you think it's at on the map. Then there's this next button next to it. It says adjust robot position. Now this is going to use its algorithms to try to adjust its position in space. Now with being this far out, I'm going to hit the button. You'll see where it thinks its mapped out area should be. And notice we hit this button, it shifts. It's trying to, basically it's running the algorithm to try to find what it thinks is the localized space. But it's never going to get it right because it's so far out. I mean, maybe if you hit that button like 100 times, it might finally figure it out. But, and I'm going to let Jenna take over from here. Okay, so you're going to grab the robot start position over there to the next one, to the right. Yep. Okay, now you see where it's at in our space here. Okay, so you need to basically just click where that's at on the map and just be somewhat close. It's probably good. You have to be precise. And you can always tell, and then it's saying what direction is it facing. So zoom in more. Zoom in more. See how it's got arrows on it? The arrows is the direction of what the front side is. I think the front side's us. Now go ahead and hit your adjust robot position button. Okay, maybe it is rotated the other way. So go ahead and change your start position again. Click where, and then just change the orientation. Might do it. But it's definitely not like that. If you look at our building's all skewed, right? It's not sitting like this in our building. Go adjust. Yeah, you're right. Boom. Okay. Okay. Close enough. Okay, then go to your adjust. Okay, now keep clicking adjust. Hold on before you click it. So notice you can see some lines kind of floating out. Like you can hit adjust a couple more times, and you'll notice the lines kind of shift around a little bit, and you might be able to get them more precise. So as you can see now your maps are lining up from what the MiR thinks it should be to where it's actually at. And also, as the MiR operates, it'll localize itself constantly as it's running. So that's one thing that's really cool about the MiR is it updates its map constantly. So if you put a new object there, eventually it'll learn there's an object there and it'll try to avoid going in that area until you remove it, and then it notices over a period of time that it has been removed. So hopefully that saved you a bunch of headache because I know the localization thing, if you just don't know the couple buttons that you need to press to relocalize where your robot is at on the map, it's kind of a pain and you're kind of stuck until you can figure out those few buttons. So I know this video could be very helpful. I know when we did our very first few AMR systems, it was something that we had kind of ran into because there are a lot of times whenever you power down and then power back up, the MiR powers back up and has no clue where it's located at. So this should be very helpful for a lot of people. And if you're interested in more videos like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button because we got like 6 more AMR videos at least just for MiR alone, and then we're going to be doing some for probably Omron and a lot of the other brands out there, as well as like Fanuc and other industrial automation topics. So hit that subscribe button and we'll catch you on the next one.